Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now.
What up? Oh, for sure.
So. Alright, so this is day 5 of the hair. I just cut it, so I haven't even groomed it properly yet. You know, as you can see in the video, the hair is old, so I need to put some mousse and tie it down and, you know, do the edges. I don't know. Ladies, what do you use to let your edges stay? Hey, one day I pierced down the ear side, you know, with shine and jam, not shine and jam. I almost say gorilla glue, but the devil is a liar. The one that they use to hold on the wig. Freeze spray, the frozen spray, and sort of glue. Glue, I really glue. Pierce it down and brush it in, and trust me, tell you the truth, it never stay. So I don't really deal with edges. I just put the shine and jam, you know, and brush it in and tie it down, as you can see. So this is how it is in day 5. I plan to keep this in for the next 3 weeks at least, and I can. So this is what we do on a weekend, naturalistas, sisters. Other than that, you know, we cook, because in between I stopped and I cooked my dinner. What did I cook? What did I cook for Sunday dinner? Fried fish. I fried fish and food. Irish potato, pumpkin. It did nice. Not to lie, it nice. Not because I me cook it. It tastes good. True. Me can cook. Yeah. So, and I put elastic at the end when I cut them. So that wraps up the video. Watch to the end. And if you know the thing already, just like it up and subscribe and them something there. Big up on yourself. As you can see, I am promoting Dormy headband headphone. So if you want one, just click the link in my description and you get a 15% off. It nice, trust me. Like, I was riding and I was wearing the AirPod and it dropped out. When you have on your headband, that don't happen. You understand? And then ladies with the headband wigs, you know, it go good with it, trust me. So it's multifunctional, and if you're having trouble sleeping and you want to listen to meditation podcasts, some persons don't have trouble sleeping, but them have trouble with people who them sleep with snoring, or they're just restless. You just put on your headband, nothing in your ears that they go to ears, and you know them look at something there. So yeah, if you click the link, I get a little smalls. You understand? So do that. Nobody go on the website by yourself. Just click the link, man. Click the link. And I'm also promoting Simple Expert, which is the other side of me. What a Jesus. I've split personality. Yeah, man. So if you're interested in the slow living and that countryside of me, you can go on over there and subscribe and like and share and watch the video them and all of that. It's just coming up. So I'll talk to you in another video. Take care. Boom bang. I'm